I'm Gary Locket, pro boxing coach, and I'm going to be taking you through a series of exercises to keep us active while we're on lockdown. First of all, we're going to be doing the squat, okay? Now, basically, we're trying to get our bum as low as our heels as we can without leaning forward. So like so. Now you can do these exercises in sets of 8 or 10, or you can do them kind of 20 seconds on or 30 seconds on with 10 seconds rest. That's the first one. Okay, the second one, we're going to be using the mat so as we don't hurt our elbows. This is called the plank, okay? So we're going to go down on our elbows and onto our toes. From the shoulders to the heels should be straight, so your bum shouldn't be in the air or it shouldn't drop, okay? Like so. Now you should be looking to do this for, like I said before, maybe 20 or 30 seconds. And for the more intermediate or professional guys, maybe a lot longer. Okay, the good old press up, very good for your chest and your arms. The beginners, you can do them off your knees, like this. Okay, but for the guys like me, for the guys who are a little bit more challenging, if you want to do it a little bit more challenging, the proper press up, taking the chest to the ground without dropping your bum and without having your bum in the air. But for the beginners, do them off your knees. Make sure your bum isn't in the air like this. That's not a press up. So off your knees, there, which makes it just a lot easier than doing the normal press up. Okay. Fourth exercise is lunges. Okay, so we're stepping a walking pace forward, springing back to base. Okay, left, alternating, right, left, right. Again, like I keep saying, we can do it in reps. You could do 5 each leg, or you could do it for 20 or 30 seconds. Okay, this is called the V sit-up, which is quite difficult because it's not just a sit-up, you have to find a balance. So we're going to be springing from there, halfway, to meet toes and fingertips in the middle. A little bit more difficult now. This is the burpee, okay? So hands down, kick back, kick forward, jump up, okay? Now, if you want to make it a little bit more difficult, you can do the press up with the burpee, like so. Okay, now we're going to be doing the squat jump, okay? So I think the first exercise we did was a squat. This time, as you come up straight, you're going to spring into a little jump, okay? I'll do it on the sideways angle. This is a little bit more challenging than the squat because you're using a lot more energy to burst up into the jump. And the last one in the series is just high knees. So really sprinting on the spot, okay, like so. There are 8 exercises there in the circuit. My advice to you is to do 20 seconds of the exercise and then have 10 seconds off. So you do the exercise for 20 seconds, 10 seconds off, then the second exercise for 20 seconds, 10 seconds off, then the third exercise, and then 10 seconds off, and like so. That would be the way I do it. Do it once, maybe have a minute rest, and perhaps do it again and again. You know, it's really up to you. You know, if you want to do it once, then that's fine. That's great. That's a good start. Or if you want to do it, you know, a little bit more challenging, 4, 5 or 6 times, then that would be great. Stay safe, stay home, stay active.